Questions 40, 41, and 42 are asking us to evaluate. So I'm going to set these all equal to a question mark, but if you wanted to set them all equal to x, you could do that as well. And I'm doing that so that I can transform them all into their equivalent exponential form, because then I'll be able to solve for them. So the first one's going to be 5 raised to what is equal to 1, and that would be 0, because anything raised to the 0 power is 1. This will be 3 raised to what is equal to 3 raised to 7, and that would just be 7. And then for 42, 49 raised to what is equal to 7. Well, we're trying to change from 49 to 7, so essentially we're taking the square root, and that is 1/2 as an exponent. So raising something to the 1/2 power is the same thing as taking the square root of it. So this really leads to some properties of logarithms. So anytime you have log base b of b, meaning anytime your base matches the inside of your logarithm, then that's going to be equal to 1. If you have log base b of 1, meaning anytime you have 1 on the inside of the logarithm, it has to be equal to 0. Log base b of b raised to the x, this is just going to be equal to x. And then b raised to log base b of x, this is also just equal to x.